Hey guys, Kylie and Alex here with Top Guns in Terre Haute, Indiana. Today we're going to do a viewer's requested video over the Springfield 911.
And this is all you need to know in 90 seconds. The Springfield 911 is a subcompact frame, which is going to be in the same category as your 238 or your Kimber Micro. Now, I know they're probably going to release a 9mm version of this pretty soon, but currently you can only get it in 380. Alright Kylie, after taking both these range, what are a couple things you noticed?
Comparing it to a 238, Alex, there's not much of a difference except for on the 911, the sights are a lot easier to acquire. On the 911, you're going to have a Pro Glow tritium sights, which basically means it's going to have a front green sight and a back white sight.
I also enjoyed the sights on the 911 compared to the 238. I thought they were just a little bit easier to acquire, but you can also get different sight options on your 238 for just a little bit more money. When it came to firing this in the range, now I noticed there was just a little bit more weight on the 238 compared to the 911, with the 911 coming in around 12.6 ounces compared to the SIG coming in on the standard model around 15.2 ounces.
So when it came to comparing the 911 to the 238, I noticed when it came to overall length and barrel length, there wasn't any difference. Both coming in at 5.5 in overall length and barrel length at 2.7.
Now that we've compared the 238 and the 911 a little bit, let's focus a little bit more on the Springfield 911. Now let's start up at the slide. The slide is made out of 416 black nitride stainless steel, and it also has a load indicator. Now, something I thought that was really appealing in this firearm was the V-cut rear serrations.
Something else that I found that I really liked on the gun, Alex, were the G10 grips that it has, also the Octo Grip texture, which is on the front strap and the mainspring housing. It's a little bit aggressive in my hand, but I found that it was really easy to hold on to.
All right, guys, let's talk about the magazines a little bit. The 911 comes with a 6-round magazine, but you can also get an extended magazine of 7, which is around $24.95 MSRP. Comparing that to a SIG magazine around $40, I think this is what's going to make this a hot seller.
I agree, Alex. With an MSRP around $5.99, you should be able to pick this up at your local gun store around $5.30.
Again, guys, thank you for watching all you need to know in 90 seconds on the Springfield 911.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please hit that button and please leave a comment below if there's any other reviews you want us to do.
Thanks again, guys.